Hey Sagittarius, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Look at that. The fact that I had the Nine of Swords at the bottom of the deck, now I have the Nine of Wands. I had somebody earlier. Oh, and it's killing me. It was either Leo, Aquarius, Taurus, Virgo. It's one of them four. Somebody was just like that, the same situation, but different nines. Regardless, this makes me feel like they've definitely been going through some type of cycle for a long time, and it's coming to an end, you know? But right now, it's like they're undecided about what to do when it comes to you. But they're going to come out of being frustrated. They're going to come out of their head. But see, they're back and forth. They still feel like they're not going to have a victory with you. The fact that I have 2 6s here, this is definitely some type of family situation. So I've been telling y'all for a while, I've been picking up that your person could have been in a family situation with someone else, or it was just family standing in the way. For some of you, maybe you have a family with this person and they want to, you know, get this back together, but they're starting to feel like because they didn't balance things out, it's not going to happen. But the fact that I'm seeing the 3 of Cups at the bottom of the deck, this person was in some type of family situation, and I see them removing themselves from it. So somebody's getting out of a situation, but see, they're still moving a little slow. Tell me more. Somebody could have been dealing with a Gemini. Somebody could have, look at that. Somebody could have been dealing with a Virgo. But the fact is, this was a lesson for them. They put themselves in a situation. They had to go through this lesson, right? That's why they can't move forward with you just yet. I feel like they're still going through some type of karmic lesson. The fact that I have 9 and 10, that goes back to letting me know this cycle is coming to an end. It's not over just yet. They still have to they have to complete some type of cycle with this other person first. And see, they're over here manifesting, you know, a new opportunity with you. They're trying to get out of it, but see, they're frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. They're frustrated. See, this person, I feel like the way this just came out, they do keep an eye on you, but at the end of the day, they try their best in the past just to move on and not think about you. But they're afraid you're done. They're afraid you're going to cut them off for good. And see, they do want things to improve with you. Ooh, but you see this other king jump. It was just like, who did I do it for? Y'all be in the zone when I'm doing it, so I can't think of the exact sign. But when I tell you, you got somebody else coming in, okay? The fact that this king jumped on top of this king here, oh, this person is worried. Because they're basically saying, if you have not met someone or you're not dealing with someone, oh, there's someone coming in, because they put themselves in this situation, they didn't listen, they didn't get themselves out of it. Now it opened the door for somebody else to come in, because see, this person was in some type of commitment or they're married. But I'm gonna tell you now, whoever this person is that I'm picking up on that's coming in for you, this is a soulmate, and this is somebody that you could potentially marry. This is somebody that you can move forward with, and they know it. Just like you guys are, you know, very intuitive and you're gifted, so is this person you have this deep connection with. They know. Somebody's dealing with a Taurus here. They know. Oh, they know. They've been shown. See, right now, they're like, okay, right, I got to balance things out. When it comes to my finance, see? When it comes to my finances, this person wants to be with you, but there's somebody holding on to them. You know, and the way these 2 cards came out, it's like every time they make a decision, they go back and they got to think about this. Like, is it a smart move? You know, am I going to be okay financially speaking? Am I going to be able to come to him and her having my stuff together? And see, it's like one minute they're confident, but the next minute they're not. Ooh, not weird. They're not. See, the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. But this person, they're not speaking up. They have a hard time talking to you because, see, they already feel like you're going to cut them off. They feel like you're done. See, they're going to have to speak their truth to you. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Let's see. They're afraid that things aren't going to improve. See, I got Justice here. It could be dealing with a Libra. Let me see. Yeah, look, I'm telling you. This person, not only are they going through some type of like spiritual awakening, but they're going to have to put an end to a situation that they put themselves into, whether it's like a contract, a legal document, something that they were in. And I told you guys before, see, judgment reversed. Somebody's going to court. there's definitely some type of court situation, whether they're married, they got a business with someone, it's children involved, they live with someone, why did I just say domestic dispute? Was somebody fighting? Or did someone hit some? Ooh, that's not what I was trying to say. But for some of you, that could be the situation. There's the 10 of Cups. Yeah, so remember I told you they got to put an end to a family situation, but the thing is they want to have a family with you. Well, right, I told you they can't put the work in with you just yet until they get out of this other situation first. Okay. So right now, I feel like they want to move forward with you. You will eventually receive an offer from them, but they're focusing on themselves right now because, see, they don't even know what to do to fix this with you. They're afraid they're not going to have this new beginning. See, it's twice. They feel like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you, but see, they're back and forth with the Knight of Wands. It's like they want to speak up and they want to say something to you, but they don't. Clarify the Knight of Wands. See, it's like they don't want you to walk away from them. They know that they hurt you. They know what they did. See, they're sad because they feel like you're going to reject their offer. Ooh, what is this? Back of 5 of Wands. You see what I'm saying? It's like, this person, they don't know. They keep going back and forth. I'm tired. I'm getting tired of them, to be honest with you. See, they got to make a decision. I feel like they are arguing with someone over money. If it hasn't happened, it's getting ready to happen. They're listening to their intuition because it's like they're being pushed. Look, I was about to say to move forward, and look at that. They're being pushed to move forward towards you. But first, the way these cards came out, they got to make a change. It's like they're frustrated. They're trying not to be frustrated because they've been feeling stuck in this situation. But the thing is, they put themselves in that situation because they were being sneaky. Now they're over here trying to make changes, and that's why they're over here talking to people, trying to figure out, okay, what can I do to get out of this family situation? I don't like it here anymore. I was trying not to laugh. So I'm trying. Okay, they don't like it there no more, okay? They don't like it. So the thing is, Spirit is saying you are going to get the offer here that you deserve, but this person is still moving slow. Still moving slow. I'm saying they're going to make a decision, but see, they can't sleep. I feel like it's like they want to get out, but for some of them, they can't make a move just yet. You know, and that's what irritates them because they're wanting something to be done, being over with. But prime example. Let's just say if this person's married, right? They're like, okay, I can start the process to go through a divorce, or I have started the process, but it's going to take some time. I can't just put in the paperwork and we're divorced tomorrow. You know, it's going to, you know, some states it might be 3 months, 6 months, a year. You know, you got to be separated. And if they're still living with this person and they still have a family with this person, it's going to take some time. You know, see, they're waiting around for something. See what I'm saying? They're waiting for something, and it's like they're leaving you out in the cold. But they feel like they're going to be left out in the cold, financially speaking, by this mother figure or the mother of their child. And see, this is why right now they're focusing on their money right now. See? Look at all these pentacles. They're wanting things to improve with you, but they also want things to improve with their finances. And so they're back and forth with the Ace of Wands because it's like they want a new beginning with you, but they're afraid it may not happen. So they know what they need to do. They're just taking their time. They feel like you don't want to put any more energy into them. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. It's like they just don't have the strength to come towards you right now and speak their truth. Yeah, so you're not talking to this person. See, yeah, they got to get their money together. This person is definitely focusing on their money. I feel like you will receive an offer from them, but it will take place once they remove themselves from that toxic situation that they put themselves in. Because right now there's no balance. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with another Sagittarius, but I'm telling you, they want balance here. But there is a home or a family situation going on that is an issue, and they have to get that together first. See, they got to heal things there. They got to heal things with this situation. They need to be honest, and then they need to heal things within themselves before they can even try to come back and attempt to heal things with you. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. They want stability with you, but right now, I told you, they're not talking. They're not talking. I told you. They're not going to say anything to you until they get themselves out of the situation, and it just keeps confirming they're going to remove themselves. you know, from this other person or this situation. Because see, the thing is, you make them happy. See, they're freeing themselves. I told you, they're going to be single. This person is coming to speak their truth to you, Sagittarius. Yep, they want to turn things around. They want to heal your broken heart, but right now they're having a hard time because of what they did. I got 210. See, they're afraid that you don't want to be with them anymore. They feel like it's done. You're done with them. It's over. It's an ending. But look at that. Last card. They want a relationship. This person's not going to give up. Even if they feel that way, they're like, I'm still going to come back to him or her. I'm still going to give this a shot. You know, if they don't want to be with me, then I know it's my fault, but I'm not going to go down without a fight. Y'all, they going to go to the floor swinging, okay? Listen, they going to fight for their love. They going to fight, okay? So, let's see. Look at that. Bottom of the deck, 6 of Wands. So, overall, Sagittarius, you're going to have a victory. You will have a victory. But yeah, you're not content with how things have been playing out between you and this person. Yeah, because you're realizing that they're still entertaining or they're still, you know, stuck in this codependent situation. And you're like, you know, I don't have time for this. Yeah, see, because they're coming back trying to give you an offer. And you're like, How you going to try to, see, give me an offer to have a new beginning when you're still in this other situation? So you're back and forth with the moon. So I feel like a lot of you guys are realizing the truth about this person. But Spirit is saying I need you to listen to your intuition because there's justice here. God's justice here. Yeah, you guys have an offer coming in. You want the truth. You got an offer coming in. Yeah, they're going to come back and give you an offer and you got to make a decision about it. But you don't have any hope with this person anymore. It's like that hope went out the window a long time ago. See, yeah, you've been healing. You're coming out of, you know, the regret of everything that has taken place. Because at this point, yeah, this person, they took too long. They were moving slow. And see, look at that. This person, this is either like a long-term commitment. For some of you, you could have been married to this person or this person could be married to somebody else. And see, it's like you don't have a peace of mind about that. But I feel like there's some things or someone else that's coming into your life soon. But regardless, I see that you're trying to have the confidence here, but you don't see things improving. I'm going to give y'all a little more than 20, so let me see. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.